Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Sunday, almost 4 p.m. and tomorrow afternoon we have our flight and I haven't started packing yet, so let's do that. Okay, for context, I'm going to Pennsylvania. My husband's cousin's meetup kind of. We are going for more than 20 days, so I have a lot to pack. We have a rough plan, but not sure of anything. The plans might change. So I have dumped all my basic summer clothes and I have to figure out which goes with what and then I'll pack. To give you a rough idea, I am packing all my basics like blue t shirt, black t shirt. This will go with jeans, with this will go with the skirt, this will go with the linen pants. Yeah, I'm choosing those kind of pieces where I can style in multiple ways. Hope that makes sense. And we might go to New York, not sure of it. So I'm planning an outfit for that. Last time we went in the winter time, which was not the best time to visit. And I have started vlogging a bit and then I never uploaded it. So this time I'm hoping to vlog everything. Let's see. Okay, I have a lot to pack, so let's speed this up. Update after a really long time. I've sorted all the dresses. These are all the bottoms I'm taking. These are the graphic tees. These are the basic white and black ones, t-shirts, shirts. And I'm taking some traditional fits. Let's see if I'll wear them. And all these are some home clothes, pajamas. And this section is a maybe. I'll see. And this is my airport outfit. I'll wear either one of these two shirts with the linen pants. Yeah, that's it. I'm actually a bit confused. Should I wear this or this? Let me try this. I guess I'll go with this. Okay, is this nice or this? I'm confused. Okay, I think I'm going with the simple ones. Mom's bracelet. I am all ready. Yesterday night I have kept everything ready, but just have to put it in the bag. So let's go do that. I'm all set to go. I'm having my favorite breakfast oats. I think we'll leave in like 20 to 30 minutes. Tell me if you're like me. More than the destination, I'm excited for the flight experience. Going early to the airport, roaming there, and reading book in the flight. I don't know, it makes me happy. Regarding the book, I'm already in middle of a book, so the target is to complete that book by the time I return. Yeah, all set. I think we'll leave in like 20 to 30 minutes.
Go, yeah. Yeah. The sun's sinking low. Ooh, yeah. Hitting up the boulevard. See see the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living, where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Slide, glide, take flight, oh. Feel that sunshine, let the baseline flow. West Coast breeze got the vibe on lock. Cruising all day, no tick tick of the clock. Hit the beach, feet up in the sand. Wave to the ocean, yeah, it's part of the plan. Retro shades reflecting the sky.
It was a 1 hour car ride to reach home. This was a small travel vlog. I hope you like it. I'm gonna stay here for a few days, so we'll definitely be vlogging the fun bits. If you like this video, please do subscribe. See you next week. Bye.